The evolution of exoskeletons, merging man and machine. Hello, and welcome back to Cosmotech Chronicles, your ultimate source for cutting-edge technology and beyond. I'm Sushant, and today, we're about to embark on an exhilarating journey into the world of exoskeletons. In the next 10 minutes, we'll delve deep into the very essence of these incredible technological marvels, what they are, how they work, and the astonishing realms of their applications. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First and foremost, let's demystify what an exoskeleton truly is. Picture it as a wearable, external mechanical framework meticulously designed to enhance a human's physical capabilities. These remarkable devices have undergone dramatic advancements in recent years, revolutionizing numerous industries, from healthcare and manufacturing to the military. Now, let's unravel the mechanics behind these extraordinary creations. At their core, exoskeletons are comprised of rigid frames, intricately articulated joints, and powerful actuators that seamlessly augment the user's movements. They can be powered by a range of sources, including electricity, hydraulics, or pneumatics. Sensors embedded within the exoskeleton work in unison to detect the user's every motion and intention. These signals are then relayed to the exoskeleton's sophisticated control system, which responds by either assisting or magnifying the user's physical actions. The exoskeleton landscape is rich and diverse, with various types crafted for specific purposes. Medical exoskeletons, these life-changing creations are tailored to assist individuals with mobility impairments, empowering them to walk and execute daily tasks they might have once deemed impossible. Industrial exoskeletons, a staple in the realms of manufacturing and construction, these remarkable exoskeletons reduce fatigue and avert injuries by providing essential support for heavy lifting. Military exoskeletons, the future of warfare is here. Military exoskeletons augment soldiers' endurance and strength, offering enhanced protection and the ability to carry heavier loads. Exosuits for astronauts. Beyond the stars, exosuits become vital companions for astronauts, providing life support and unparalleled mobility in the unforgiving conditions of outer space. Exoskeletons for rehabilitation. In the field of physical therapy, exoskeletons serve as invaluable aids, helping patients recover from injuries and surgical procedures, one step at a time. Now, let's witness the magic of exoskeletons in action. These marvels are making waves in real-world applications that are nothing short of astonishing. In healthcare, exoskeletons are the beacon of hope for individuals with spinal cord injuries, bestowing upon them renewed mobility and independence. In manufacturing, the lives of workers have been transformed. They can now lift heavy objects with ease, effectively reducing the risk of injuries and dramatically increasing productivity. The military, always at the forefront of innovation, is exploring exoskeletons to catapult soldier performance and safety on the battlefield to unprecedented heights. In the ethereal realm of space exploration, astronauts heavily rely on exosuits for extravehicular activities, enabling them to conquer the challenges of the cosmos with grace and precision. So, what does the future have in store for exoskeletons? The possibilities are boundless. Researchers and innovators are hard at work, striving to make exoskeletons lighter, more affordable, and infinitely versatile. In the not-so-distant future, exoskeletons could become an integral part of our daily lives, seamlessly assisting us in an array of tasks and activities. And that, my friends, wraps up today's exhilarating journey through the mesmerizing world of exoskeletons. From bestowing newfound mobility upon those with physical limitations to catapulting the capabilities of astronauts and soldiers, exoskeletons are undeniably reshaping our relationship with technology. If you found this video both enlightening and enjoyable, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Cosmotech Chronicles for an endless stream of thrilling tech content. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, keep exploring, keep innovating, and keep embracing the wonders of technology. Goodbye for now.